So, Huawei did it again. The Huawei Mate 80 series has officially crossed 1 million sales in China in just 18 days. Yes, 18 days. That alone makes it the fastest selling Mate series in Huawei's entire history. And here's the crazy part. The Mate 80 lineup has outsold the Huawei Mate 70 series by a massive 115%. Well, that's not a small upgrade, that's a complete domination. So now, let's break this down properly. The Mate 80 series launched last month with 4 models, and this time Huawei also tried something different. They basically introduced a new naming strategy with the Mate 80 Pro Max, and honestly, it worked. Like right after these phones hit the market, sales started shooting up fast. In the last few days alone, multiple reports and headlines confirmed one thing clearly. Demand for the Mate 80 series is extremely strong. According to the latest info, the Mate 80 lineup reached 1 million units shipped just 18 days, like within 18 days, which is honestly surprising, even by Huawei's own standards. Now, here's an interesting detail. The standard Mate 80 is the real sales king. It alone accounts for around 76% of the total Mate 80 series sales. Why? Simple reason, the price. The standard model offers flagship level performance at a more pocket-friendly price, making it the easiest choice for the most buyers. On the other hand, the high-end models including the Mate 80 Pro Max and the RS edition together making up only 24% of the sales. But this is not because people don't want them. The real reason is supply issues. Right now, the Mate 80 Pro Max and the RS variants are still out of stock in many places. Huawei simply can't produce enough units yet. Huawei has already hinted that high-end shipments may improve in January, so once production ramps up, we could see an even bigger jumps in sales. If supply wasn't limited, these premium models might have performed way better. Now, let's talk about why people are rushing to buy the Huawei Mate 80 series. First, the new Kirin chipset. Huawei is pushing its silicon hard and performance has clearly stepped up. Second, up to 20 GB of the RAM. That's insane multitasking power for a smartphone. Third, the camera system. 5 powerful imaging sensors tuned for the photography lovers, content creators and night shooters. And finally, enhanced communication technologies making the phone more reliable in all kinds of real-world situations. Put all of this together and you can clearly see why the Huawei Mate 80 series is selling like crazy. Now, the big question, what happens next? It will be very interesting to see how this sales momentum continues, especially once Huawei fully solves the supply chain issues for the Pro Max and the RS models. But one thing is clear though. The Mate 80 series is not just successful, it's a statement. Huawei is back, confident and moving fast. Now, I want to know your thoughts. Do you think the Huawei Mate 80 series can maintain this momentum into the 2026? And which model would you choose? The standard Mate 80 or the Pro Max? Share in the comments down below. And as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.